So hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make cookies, homemade cookies. What you'll need is number one, flour. Number two, some salt. Just 1 tablespoon or something, as you can see mine. I'm not cooking so much or something big. Then some 3 tablespoons of sugar, some butter. I went for this one. And 3 eggs. So what you'll be needing is the egg yolk, the yellow substance and then mixer, because I don't know, this is a blender, I don't have a mixer, so I'll just use this one. In the meantime, before I fetch the other one, so let's start. So I'm having a challenge with my batter. It's not that smooth because it was in the fridge. You see, it should be something like this. So in a span of time, or I don't know, it will just melt. Or let me place it in water so that it can easen up my work. So I just do some hot water, place it inside so that it can melt quickly, and we begin with our work. Ooh, I think it has gotten some water with. Oh my god. So big. Boom. Sugar. Some salt. I'm so bad at that one. This is what we're gonna use. Time to blend. It's a good idea because I have no mixer, so decide to improvise as usual. It's my work. smear. This is to avoid the cookies from sticking at the surface. So since the paper bags were prohibited, I decided to use these ones. The ones you normally pack your food with and then you store them in the fridge, like, let me show you. Like this. So, yep. So I'm just going to make an opening somewhere here so that I can pour it here so that it can have that good shape. I don't just want anything that looks aimless with no. So guys, before I pour into the substance or the surface, I think I'm going to do with, first I'm going to do with, I think 60 minutes, then 180 degrees. So I've preheated it. So before I put inside, I want the place to be a little bit hotter, the uniformity I know you get. So before I place my cookies, oops, not that bright. So before I cook my cookies or I put inside, I'm going to do with 180 degrees and for 60 minutes. I see how it goes. And make sure when you put inside, it hits both sides, up and down, not only just down or just up or down, as in both. So I'll bring it up to somewhere here. There, I think. Then for the minutes, let's do with 60. Preheating, let's just do with around 20 or 30. Let's just say 30. So let's go and pour here. So guys, this one has been so hard to use, this one to pour inside. So I've just done it manually, as you can see. No shape or anything whatsoever. So I'm just going to place it in the oven because it's ready. So guys, that is the progress. Yup, there's no shape, but you just eat them the way they are. Let me get one and see. What? Two already gone. I've just eaten before they were ready. So this is our end product. Let's see. It's okay. You can just eat your evening snack or breakfast. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being patient. And remember to subscribe. Bye.